Hey everybody, Bigfoot here with Bigfoot Videos. So in today's video we're going to do more digging. It's going to be digging day 2 of the crawl space. And so I'm going to keep digging down here, pick up where I left off, coming under this, tunneling under this ducking here down there. So I just have a little bit more before I can actually have a pathway there, like a crawl space, and then I'm going to dig it down even deeper. But I'm going to get that done, get as far as I can today. Start digging this way towards the exterior wall, towards the underneath the second story balcony side, and I'm just going to keep digging. I'm going to dig about as deep as I feel like I need to have a good crawl space. So hope you enjoyed today's video. Hopefully I can get some good progress going. With the rain heading this way, it kind of holds me up because I can't put my dirt in the pickup truck and get it dumped without it getting filled up with getting all nasty and muddy in those buckets. So hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Questions in the comment section. As soon as the video is over, make sure to check out some of the other content. Here we go, everybody. Enjoy the clip. Alright, that's about going to do it for today's video, everybody. If you enjoyed digging day 2 of my crawl space under our master bedroom, make sure to smash that like button. Make sure to share and subscribe. And if you have questions, put them in the comment section. Now go check out some of the other content. Appreciate everybody. Bigfoot out.